Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the language of Google Maps. So first of all, open up the Google Maps app. Now once you're in the app, click on your profile picture at the top right corner right here. Now in here, click on settings and click on this first option right here saying app language. Now in here, choose the language that you want. I will go for, let's say, German. Just click on it, click on OK. And as you guys can see, my app language has now been changed to German. You can do the same if you want to switch to English or vice versa. So that is how you can change the language in Google Maps. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the language in Google Maps. So first of all, open up Google Maps. Now once you're at Google Maps, click on these three bars right here. Click on it. Now in here, simply scroll down and look for language. Click on it. Now in here, you can choose any language you want. I will go for, let's say, Italiano. Click on it. And as you can see, my whole language has now been turned into Italian. So that is how you can change your language in Google Maps.